Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do something very different, a voiceover. Yeah, cool. Finally figured out the whole Final Cut Pro thing, so today I'm gonna be using Pastels. They're the Rembrandts and the new pastels from Prismacolor. I just got the new pastels today in the mail from Amazon. 2-day shipping. Amazon Prime is the best. I'm also using Vine Charcoal, which is what I'm using right now to kind of sketch out the little bird that I'm trying to draw. I want to say paint, but it's drawing. It's a really rough sketch. I was trying to, feel the weight of the bird, get a sense of how round it is. And right now I'm just blocking out the colors, making sure everything's in place. Right there was like a dark green in the picture. And this one I decided to do a bit of layering with colors. I didn't want it to be exactly accurate to the photograph. I wanted it to look a little bit more abstract, kind of colorful and happy. Right now I'm just blending, adding different colors. Was that like a dark brown? I really wish I would have kept the sheet that actually named the different colors that it came with. Most of the ones that I'm using right here are the Rembrandt pastels, soft pastels actually. The bright purple is the new pastel, the Prismacolor ones. Oops. I accidentally wrote an S on the bird. It's funny because my name actually starts with an S, so it's like a hidden signature. So right now I'm just adding various different colors. The bird that was in the photo was actually kind of berry purple, so I decided that I wanted to use blues with purples and some greens to make it look more alive, more colorful and happy, and I don't know, I just thought it would look really cool. But I mean, I was doing this at like 1 in the morning, so, well, 1 a.m. Right here I'm trying to kind of figure out how to create these lines that is kind of on the top of the bird, kind of like ridges and highlights. There was kind of like a deepness to it, and then I don't even know how to explain it. This is very difficult. This is why I don't really talk in videos. I'm just terrible. Excuse me, I'm very sorry. And if you hear anything around me, like a cat or the heater or someone walking, I am in the basement currently. That's where my art room is, so the struggle is real. Right here I'm just trying to deepen the background, but it's just not doing what I want it to do. I should have just mixed the dark brown with the green and see. So right now, trying to draw the feathers in using this kind of bluish purple. It actually looks a little different on camera. In person, it kind of looks like just like a deep purple. A little bit of deep blue hues. Right there, I'm trying to deepen underneath the beak with the black charcoal. Deepen underneath the feathers. Kind of trying to draw where the feathers are going to be, where the deeper kind of feathers are going to be at. Now I came out with the white pastel color and I'm adding some highlights on the beak, the eyes, the side where the light is coming towards the bird, the light source, and I'm adding a little bit of yellow on top. That's basically the highlight that I was seeing earlier. Outlining the eye. I was gonna say tear duct, but I don't really know. Much about birds. Should have really researched this bird before I went ahead and drew it. So more little feathers along the side. I kind of do this continuously and try to blend it out, add a few more light colors in. Right there I'm adding a lighter purple, kind of like really bright purple actually. Adding some highlights, blending them out. At this point, I mean, I started liking the drawing. Before I didn't know what I was working with. It looked like a troll. That's basically what happens with kind of all of my artwork. It starts off really crappy and then all of a sudden it comes out fairly well. I'm just adding purple in to deepen it. Like I said, I was adding colors, layering it. Now I'm adding the blue on the bottom because the bird kind of had blue feathers on the bottom, so I decided to add a little bit of that. Not too much of it though. Blending out with a napkin. Darkening the blacks underneath the feathers. Blending. I remember when I was a kid, my grandpa used to have a lot of birds in his farm. He had chickens and several ducks. Also some doves that came around every year. Taught me a lot about taking care of animals. Right now I'm adding a deeper kind of blue, like a sky blue, maybe? And I'm kind of adding it to the feathers so that it kind of unifies the drawing. Blending. So right now I'm gonna be blending with my fingers because why the hell not? Or why the heck not? Let's be honest, I just wanted to get my hands dirty. Right now I'm just adding a little bit of more purple. Lots of layering, man. So many layers. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. I'm just a newbie and I don't have it yet. I need to learn this. I need to get some books on it. If you guys have any recommendations on some books on pastel, let me know because I will purchase them and check them out because I really like this medium and I want to know more about it. Right now I'm just adding more highlights throughout the feathers. Going a little bit crazy with that. Now I'm adding that kind of yellow ochre color. It kind of blends into an orangey color when you put it on the red chalk, which is really freaking cool. Right here I try to add the kind of brownish color and blend it in and see if that deepens in. And I added a light blue on top of the outline just because I wanted to look kind of sketchy. And around the feathers as well. A little bit of blending to the background. Adding more blue, a little dark blue. I really need a new stand, like an easel that doesn't shake so much. It's so annoying. It's kind of hard to draw that way. And this is the final piece. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe and comment. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.